Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Yeah. Hey, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. To all my new subscribers, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then hit the subscribe button to the right, okay? Might be pointing the wrong way, but you know what I'm talking about. Hit that little red subscribe button in the square. Hit that right there. And if you need to be notified each and every time I upload a video, then hit the bell that's right, right next to it, okay? Hit that bell so you will not miss a video each and every time I upload a video. Alright, and welcome back to all my old subscribers, y'all. I just love each and every one of y'all. Okay, so now I got the lima beans here. They done got soft like I want them. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to measure for y'all because y'all know I do not measure. I don't measure. So, let me get my measuring spoon so I can try to measure for y'all. Hold on. Okay, so I got a teaspoon now, y'all. So I'm gonna just try to measure this for y'all. So I got a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of my chicken seasoning. Y'all know I like to mix the chicken and the beef together in certain things. So I got a teaspoon of the beef seasoning. I got my onion powder. Add much as you want to add of that because it ain't got no salt in it. So onion powder. That's 1. That's 2. 3 teaspoons of onion powder. Then the garlic powder. I gotta taste it after I do it, y'all. Let y'all know how it tastes. I might have to add something else. You never know. Okay, so with garlic powder, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I got my Tony seasoning. So I'm gonna add, hold on y'all. I ain't put no seasoning in the beans, so we got to season these things on up. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. Oh, that fly, I swear. 2 teaspoons of that. And then I'm going to take me some minced onion. Hold on, I think I got something open. Okay. Take some mixed onion. Put much as you want, honey. Because I'm finna just pour that down in now. Okay. And then, if I could break me off. Wait a minute, y'all. So then I'm going to add some green bell peppers, and I'm gonna put them down in there. Ooh, I swear. Okay, so now let me see. Let me mix this on up. Let's see what I'm working with. Y'all, look at them lima beans and all that meat that's in them, y'all. Oh, yes. Give that a good mix, and then I'm gonna taste it, that broth, and let y'all know what it's working with. I don't cook my beans to a mush. I like my beans to still be, you know, like a bean, and I like juice in mine too. I don't cook them till they dry. Okay, so y'all see that? Let me get y'all closer. Get you closer, baby. Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all look at them beans.
1 and 2.
Okay. I asked my husband, he gonna taste them for me. He said no. Y'all, he's scared to taste my beans, y'all. Okay, so I'm finna taste this broth and let y'all know what it tastes like.
Okay,
I'm gonna let y'all taste first. Let me know what it tastes like. Go on, taste it now. You hush and let them taste it. Nah, go on, taste that and let me know what it tastes like. Don't listen to him. Y'all can taste it.
There ain't no taste TV. I feel like it's a taste TV.
They can taste it. Okay. So, I need some more salt. It's crying for salt, honey. Okay, so, let me see. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of salt. That might be enough right there. It might wake all the seasonings up. After adding that much salt. But it needed it, y'all. Really did. But look at them beans. They look so, woo, they look so good with all that meat in there. Them bell peppers. Ooh, some of the meat coming off the bone. Off in there. Yes. Let me taste it again. Okay. Okay, y'all taste it this time because I know y'all was right when y'all said need a little salt or something. Go ahead, taste it. Okay.
You ain't started yet?
That tastes good, doesn't it? But what I'm going to add is a little hot sauce to it and give it just a little bit more flavor. So that was what, about how many dashes? Give it some more flavor. It needs like a peppery flavor. It got the salt there. It just needed like a peppery, vinegary, some kind of flavor to it, you know. It got all, I taste all the seasonings. I taste the bell pepper, I taste the onion, I taste the salt, I taste the garlic, I taste all that. I really don't taste the beef seasoning though. So let me see, let me taste again. Okay, taste it. Okay. Okay, that's what it is. I need the y'all, it don't matter how many times it takes, just as long as you get it right. This is some of the beef seasoning. I'm adding another teaspoon of that, and I'm gonna add one. Oh, I forgot to add my celery. That might, hold on y'all. Okay, that was 2 teaspoons of that. I think that's what it was I was missing, y'all. My celery. Okay. And then 2 teaspoons of the chicken. And then 1 teaspoon of the celery. I think that's what it is. I bet that's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a good mix. Y'all look at that. Look how that's just coming together. Look how that's coming together, y'all. Oh. Y'all just look at that. Y'all see it? You see it? Okay. One more taste. This what you got to do when you're cooking, y'all, because you know what you want it to taste like. So this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do to get your food like you want it. You have to taste it. Perfect. 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 Perfect, y'all. Perfect. Perfect. That was 2 bags of lima beans, by the way. Y'all, that is perfect. I can't believe that. I mean, the celery salt. That's all it needed. Just that little something to lift it up a little bit more. You know, lift them flavors up. You know, certain seasonings, they just go good together. You know, and they have to be together because they best friends. So how you gonna split up best friends? Like, you can't split up best friends. You know. All right, y'all. So that's the lima beans, and let me taste one of them and see if it's done. You see they don't thicken up a little bit after stirring them and all that starch and stuff. Okay. They need to cook a little while longer. So I turned that down a little bit lower, and I'm just gonna let this continue to cook because it's not done. Let this finish cooking, and then I will be back when it is done, y'all. So yeah, that's some lima beans, y'all. All right, y'all, the lima beans is done. I can't tell y'all how long they cook because I don't even remember. I ain't even time them, y'all. But this the lima beans, and they full of meat, full of meat. Full of meat, yeah. Y'all see them? They full of meat. I like mine with juice in them still, though. I don't like no dry beans. Y'all see the beans? Y'all see them beans? I want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to the right. Please, if you do not want to miss any of my videos, please hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you do not miss anything that I upload. Okay? So, until next time, this your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. Y'all be blessed. And I want to thank y'all for all your love and all your support, and just for watching you, girl, and coming over and just clicking on my videos every time I upload them. So anyway, y'all have a y'all have a blessed day. Peace and love and blessings to each and every one of you. Bye-bye.